Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. You're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today, I'm going to talk about Email Studio. It's a great application which I just happened to find out on Google, and it is one of my most favorite Google uh, email application which I've been using since last few weeks. So I wanted to share this with you. It's an amazing application which lets you do so many things in one go. It helps you to mail merge. It helps you to schedule your emails. It can help you to auto forward your emails, auto respond, clean up your email, and also draft a copy for you. Now, these are some of the features which are amazing in this application, and I'm sure you all would love to experience this email studio. Now let me talk about something which will certainly convince you that it is one of the greatest applications for using Gmail, especially the new one, the new add-on which can be used. So Email Studio is a Gmail add-on that brings powerful capabilities like mail merge, email scheduler, copier, and more to your Gmail inbox. Now, whether you need to send a personalized emails to your Google contacts, schedule emails in Gmail for sending later, auto forward emails to another address, you can do it all and more with Email Studio. It's been founded by Amit Agarwal, who's founder and chief developer of Digital Inspiration. Now, Email Studio for Gmail, which I wanted to use, was particularly for email merge. I wanted to send one email to different people. Normally, it was for me around 20 to 30 people. But this feature was available through Outlook, which was quite cumbersome. So I thought, is there a way it can be done through Gmail, that too using the browser? And this is where I got to Email Studio. Now, the second great thing is email scheduler. You can send emails later at your preferred date and time, even on a recurring schedule. For example, you have typed an email today and you want to send this email 2 days uh, after to that particular person. So you can schedule your emails. The third feature is email forwarder. Forward your emails to any other email address automatically. Now, this is also a great feature. Email autoresponder. Send smart auto replies both old and incoming email messages. So if you're on holiday or a vacation, you can send an autoresponder to the person informing that you are not available at particular time. Email cleanup. You can unsubscribe from your bulk emails, auto purge message older than few days. Now these are some of the great features of this amazing application. Email draft copier. Quickly create multiple copies of any draft message in Gmail. I haven't used this, but I would love to use this feature. So these are some of the six of features of this great application which I personally have used and found it to be very helpful. And I would like to share this with all of you. You can surely go and use it. uh, I will also show you how to actually go about it. After this, you will see a screenshot of how to install and how to work on it. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, you can please share and also subscribe my channel so that we come up with these type of videos every day. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Work on Email Studio. Now you need to go to the Google page and type Email Studio. Now once you type on this, the Email Studio for Gmail, you need to click on this. You will get an option where you need to click on install. Now I have already installed Email Studio for my Gmail. I will show you how it works. Now I've already discussed about the features, but to just give you a brief highlight, with the help of Email Studio in the newly introduced Gmail, you can do mail merge, that is send emails to many email IDs in one go. You can schedule your emails. For example, you want to send a particular email tomorrow at 10 a.m. You can do that. Email auto forwarder. If you want to forward your emails to a particular email address, that will automatically do it. Email responder. If you are on leave, if you're on vacation, this email responder can respond to you on your behalf. Even it can thank people for sending a reply to you. Duplicate drafts, email cleanup. Now these are some of the very good features which Email Studio will help you to access. Now see how it actually works. Now once you have installed Email Studio, just refresh your browser and then click your email, that is Gmail account. Now you see this is the new outlook of the Gmail. It is the new version of Gmail which you will see on your browser. So to access Email Studio, you need to click on a particular email, and here on the right side the bar it is written Email Studio. You need to click on this, and here you can see how it actually works. So send personalized emails to your Google contacts with Mailmerge. Schedule recurring emails for sending at any later date and time. Send smart replies to old and new messages with autoresponder. Auto forward your existing and new emails to another email account. Easily organize your mailbox and archive or remove redundant emails. So this is a very helpful tool which can be used to do so many of things which you normally would have done through some other software. So let us accept and give access to this Email Studio. Now I will log in through my email ID. It is waiting for the authorization, and once it is logged in, I can easily go and work on Email Studio. Now once you sign up, you will get a video tutorial as well. This is how you need to go and learn. Now let's get back and see what all things we can do here. Now these are the things which have automatically come once I have signed in. Email merge. Now you can try all these things. Select a draft. Learn and earn intro. Now you can select a draft. It could be either you can type it on Word file. Then once the draft is uploaded, now you need to click on the sender's name to whom you want to send the messages. You can also add contacts from your Google contact list. So this could be very helpful. So one message, if you want to send to more than 100, 500, 1,000 people, you can do that. However, there would be certain restrictions in the free version and in the paid version as well. So that depends upon how many people you want to send messages to. So this is the mail merge feature. Now let us see what are the other features which you can certainly learn from here. These are the messages for Email Studio. Now this is how Email Studio will work on your PC, and it is a very helpful and useful tool. I would request and advise all of you to use it and experience a change in the way you have used your email. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.